Don't say very happy. Say thrilled.
I'm so thrilled. Glad. I'm thrilled.
Don't say very careful. Say cautious.
We must be cautious.
Cautious. Good point.
Cautiously excited.
Don't say very loud. Say deafening.
Deafening silence after an attack.
Your silence is deafening.
Don't say very slow. Say sluggish.
His pupils are a little sluggish.
Sluggish blood to the tissues.
On Monday. In July. In 2016. At 9 o'clock. In summer. In the morning. On Wednesday morning. In the past. At the weekend. On the 13th of June. Cutting board. Cutlery. Whisk. Ladle. Spatula. Frying pan. Rolling pin. Peeler. Colander. Grater. Teapot. Highlighter. Stapler. Scissors. Pushpin. Compass. Paper clips. Scotch tape. Magnifying glass. Set square. Protractor. Do you know what is this called? Let me know in the comment. Cold. Fever. Cough. Headache. Toothache. Cramp. Sore throat. Stomach ache. Sunglasses. Comb. Shaver. Razor. Nail clipper. Tweezers. Cotton buds. Hair clip. Hair grip. Hair dryer. Hammer. Saw. Pliers. Spanner. Tape measure. Screwdriver. Screw. Nail. Toolbox. Drill.